Well, welcome back. So by now you have plotted your points and you're ready to check your work. And so here I'm going to tilt this toward you a little bit. Take a moment and pause the video and check your work. And then we'll come back. Okay, welcome back. So now I'm going to tilt this here so I can work with it a little more. We're going to work with now the rest of the data, and that would be the wind speed, the wind direction, and the sky. And we're going to place this information into our chart here so we can compare them all together to see what's going on. So we're going to place them up here in these three sections. So wind direction is going to go in this row. So here's wind direction. Wind speed is going to go in this row. And so there's our wind speed. And the sky condition is going to go in this row here. And we're just going to use the letters that are there. So I'm going to start with wind speed. And I'm just going to write the numbers in this column. I'm going to write them across horizontally here. So I'm just going to take a moment to do that. And you can do it on yours as well. So it's pretty straightforward. We start with 11 miles per hour and we work our way over. And I'm going to use my finger here to keep track of where I am at. You can do this along with me. Hopefully I haven't missed any. Otherwise I'm going to have to use this eraser. No problem though. And 7. Okay. Have my wind speed here. Now I'm going to enter my wind directions. Now these are a little bit crowded here. So I'm going to do it in two ways. I'm going to put the first letter, if it's a 3-letter one, I'm going to put the first letter on the top and the second on the bottom. If you can write really tiny and you have a sharp pencil, then you can write the whole thing across. So I'm just going to do like this: south, southwest, west, northwest, and so on. Okay, I've now written in all of my wind directions here and the wind speeds, and the final part is just the sky conditions. And remember, we're just using the single letter abbreviations. Oh, some of them are double letter as well. Okay, and I'm going to start, and again I'm using my finger, running down with one finger and writing with the other finger. So here we go: overcast, rain, clear, rain, and so on. Okay. And there we have it. So we've entered now our wind speed, our wind direction. We've entered in our sky conditions. And so now we have everything on our chart now ready to start comparing. Although we are going to finish through to the end of the month eventually, we can actually start making some comparisons now and to see what's happening. You know, one of the first things that I notice is that, well, let's see, looking at the sky conditions, I would ask myself, has it been more cloudy than clear? Has it been more, have we had more precipitation than other types of weather? So I'm looking at the cloudy days, or the overcast. So let's see, here's clear. Clear, clear. Not many clear days in the month of February. Mostly overcast, and of course we assume if we're getting precipitation like rain or snow, it's going to be overcast as well. So it's been a very cloudy month. And we've also had some small amounts of precipitation, a snowy day, a rainy day, rainy day and snow, rain. So quite a bit of precipitation for a month. It's not too bad. Okay. And the wind seems to have been relatively slow. Now remember, this was an average. This doesn't include the gusts that we had, or the higher wind speeds for shorter times during the day. This is the overall average. So overall, the wind was relatively slow, I would think, during this month. Some days the average was a little higher, but not too bad. Okay, so then we might want to start comparing these things, all of these events to what happened with the rest of the weather factors. And we'll go over that on another video. But in the meantime, you can take a look yourself and see what kinds of patterns you notice. See you on the next video.